Hey, what's up, Corey Techers? It's your boy Leon Simpson, back again with another Corey Tech video. And today, guys, in this video, we will be unboxing the AirPods Pro. So, guys, before we go guys, let's get into this unboxing. We know Bluetooth is not a new phenomenon, but yet we are going to talk about it. There are a lot of advantages of having a Bluetooth earphone over a corded one like this here. The first thing that pops to the fray is mobility. With the AirPods Pro, you are free to move up to 30 feet away from your phone and you can still hear the music or hear the audio that is being played on the device. With this, it strengthens your movement and allows you to be cluttered to the phone and not be able to move around as freely, and your phone now will be prone to damage or falls because you are trying to carry it with you and hear what you're hearing while doing something, for example cooking. You may damage your phone in the pot, while if you had something like this, you can rest it on the counter over there and you can be by the stove cooking something. And another thing is also the quality of sound you get from the AirPods Pro is far greater than that you would get from some or most of the corded earphones. The quality exceeds with its supernatural bass and its treble. Everything in this AirPod is perfect, and once again we can thank Apple for its supreme and advanced production and the technological sector. Without any further delay, let's get into this unboxing video. So first, we got to remove the box that it comes in. So I bought it already and I already removed the plastic, so I'm going to just remove the box. Wow, and I like what I see here. It comes in a casing, and also it has the charging port under here that you use and charge it whenever it dies. And also it has the AirPods in here. I chose this green color because I like it. It's reminiscent of nature and I like it. It works. It also works by this indentation right here. You tap it and it turns on. It turns on after you tap right here, and you tap it also and it turns off. You also must charge here before the power dies, because here also charges these AirPods. These AirPods can die. They can die. So you need to charge them inside the case right here, just like that. So it's fairly simple and fairly easy to use the AirPods Pro. You turn off the charger by pressing this button right here. There's a small button at the back of it where you press. You're supposed to hear a small click and you press it to turn it on and turn it off, and a red light that indicates that the earphones inside are charging, and it blinks when this cell casing is charging. So when the cell casing is charging and you plug it in, the red light blinks. When you open it, it displays a green light when you open it. So the AirPods Pro are a good device to have. These are a good and a modern day device that you can easily use if you are a music lover or if you just like to listen to stuff without anybody knowing. This AirPods Pro would be the choice of champions. Corey takers, I advise you can go out and get yourself a Bluetooth device. It will change your life. I mean literally change your life. I can even give personal testimonies on how having this has already changed my life. My phone loves to fall from me while I listen to music when I use my corded earphones. But while having this, I can put somewhere safe and still listen to my music and dance and play football as I like to do. This device is a game changer, and this will allow you to be more mobile as you listen to music. So guys, if you love this AirPods Pro, you can purchase it. The link will be in the description down below. And guys, remember, have no rest until you're the best. It's Leon Simpson again. Peace out.